Do you want to invest successfully in stocks? You need to try TopGraphs. TopGraphs shows you when a company is a good investment. Did you know that the share price keeps clashing with the fair value of a company? Like here, here, and here. If the fair value rises, then the share price follows directly. Or as here, a little later, until the fair value and the share price meet here again. Of course, it can also be the case that the fair value falls. That happens when the company makes less profits. Then the share price also falls. Since we don't want that, just buy stocks of growing companies where the share price is currently below its fair value. You can see whether the company is growing on the one hand by the green line in the chart. When the green line rises, profits rise and the company grows. And on the other hand, by the risk analysis. Here you can see the company has increased revenue, earnings per share, margin, and other key figures over the last 5 years. If the green line rises and the risk analysis shows green, then the company has grown in recent years, and there is a high probability that the company will continue to grow in the coming years. In addition, you can see the forecasts of the professional analysts here. Only buy when all three tools tell you this stock is undervalued, the risk analysis shows green, and the analysts assume that the company will continue to grow in the coming years. You can spend hours on stock analysis. Read news and opinions, but in the long run, only fundamentals matter. When a company grows, its share price rises. TopGraphs calculates the fair value of over 75,000 public companies worldwide and shows you directly whether the stock is a good investment. Try TopGraphs now, completely free, and you will see how easy stock analysis can be.